Hello, this is Latanya Bernard. I am the Program Director of Middle School Science. Today we are going over the Student Learning Objectives, or SLOs, that will be a part of your INVEST evaluation. We are only going to discuss the SLO and no other components of Battelle for Kids. Questions about Battelle for Kids may be directed to your campus administrator, to the Director of Human Resources for INVEST, or the Director of Human Resources for Communication and Technology. To locate your SLO, open the ePortal and find INVEST Professional. It should be midway down on the left panel selection tabs. In INVEST Professional File Explorer, click INVEST, then Appendix 4, Other Staff SLOs, and then scroll down to Middle School. In Middle School, you'll see a folder for Middle School Science SLO. Here you'll notice there are two types of SLO for Middle School Science. Select the Middle School Science Pre-AP GT SLO. A link to the Word document for the SLO will open in the right panel. Select this link to open this document. You should print this document now so that you can follow along during the video. Your SLO will look like the examples you are seeing now. All cells are locked to make sure that the SLO remains consistent across the district. The two pieces of information that you will need to enter into Battelle for Kids is not on the SLO document. You will need to identify the number of students that you instruct each day. You will need this number when you upload your SLO to Battelle for Kids. You will also need to identify the number of days you will see your students for instruction and the length of time per day. An example, 5 days for 45 minutes. This information is required in Battelle for Kids. As teachers, we are responsible for teaching all of the grade level standards listed. So please make sure that the standards listed are for the correct course. If not, please find the correct SLO. An example, here you'll see grade 6 beginning with school year 2010-2011, streamlined in 2017. Likewise for grade 7 and grade 8. If you do not teach any of these standards, please select a different SLO. This year, we are going to use a district-created test during the fourth 9 weeks as part of your SLO for 6th and 7th grade science, and the 2019 STAR for 8th grade science. When you create your list of students in Battelle for Kids, enter No as your baseline. Reminder, we are expecting that 100% of the students will grow and meet the district standards by earning a 70% or higher on the district examination. 8th grade student scores will be based on the 2019 STAR. What teachers have to do to earn a 4, 3, 2, or 1 on their SLO. Student learning objective. Note, district level expert must approve the SLO as being rigorous as determined by the pre-established objectives for each staff type. To earn a 4, 85% or more of students enrolled in the pre-AP GT Science course will score at or above the STAR Final recommended level on the final exam administered at the end of the course. This will be your STAR test for 8th grade. To earn a 3, 70% to 84% of students enrolled in the pre-AP GT Science course will score at or above the STAR Final Recommend level on the final exam administered at the end of the course. For level 2, 50% to 69% of students enrolled in the pre-AP GT Science course will score at or above the STAR Final Recommend level on the final exam administered at the end of the course. Turn to level 1, less than 50% of students enrolled in the pre-AP GT Science course will score at or above the STAR Final Recommend level on the final exam administered at the end of the course. Again, for 8th grade students, this will be the STAR 2019 assessment. Remember, go to the ePortal and get the correct SLO form for the level of students that you teach. Complete the priority of content section on the SLO, which consists of the population and instructional time. The Patel for Kids system will require more information that will not be covered in this video. If you have any additional information regarding Invest, Battelle for Kids, or your evaluation, please contact your campus administrator or Sherry Batro or Dr. Brian Butler in Human Resources.